Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Identify whether the lock is system level or a third-party app, and note your Android version because the path differs. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Apps or Security. This avoids guessing. Make sure you're using a device you own and you know the linked Google account. That account can help reset or uninstall in later steps. Now locate the specific app or app lock entry to begin the recovery or reset process. Next, access the app details page for the lock or the protected app. Try Force Stop and clear data. Clearing app data removes local settings including passwords for many third-party lockers. This restores app defaults without needing the code. If the lock is integrated with a Google or vendor account, go to Account Recovery or Find My Device to trigger Remote Unlock or Uninstall. Make sure to grant yourself time for backups. Clearing data erases local app information and can't be undone. Finally, if the previous steps fail, reboot into safe mode. This disables third-party apps so you can uninstall the locker without its protection interfering. If a vendor or system lock remains and you have no account recovery path, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure to contact device or app vendor support with purchase proof if needed. They can guide account-based unlocks. One troubleshooting tip: safe mode off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.